Very good morning to each one of you. How are you all? I'm doing good, my dear students. Today we are going to do the final revision before our term 1 examination, right? Yes, I have instructed all of you to be ready with your literature textbook. So make sure that you're ready with it. Yes. Okay. Today we are going to play a learning game. What? A learning game. Yes. It's a game, but with a difference. What is it? It is a game with a difference. Yes. So what I'm going to do here is divide you all into two groups. Two groups. Okay. Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 girls are there and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 boys are there. Very good. Now, is it fine? Do you agree with that? I'm planning to distribute you into two groups, boys and girls. Okay. Let us play the learning game and check who all have learned in the best possible manner. Ready? Ready? Okay. So for that, first you need to do, what you need to do first is mute your devices. And I will be calling out the names. I'll be calling out the names. I'll be asking you the questions. Or would you like to ask the questions to your friends? You can open the book and ask the questions.
Yes.
Okay?
Yes. Ma'am.
Yeah, but I will choose the child who will ask the question or give the answer. Otherwise, there will be a lot of commotion. We'll try it that way. Are you ready?
Ma'am.
Yes, Arjun.
Some boys are there.
Some boys are there. Yeah.
7.
7. No, more are coming. It's okay, no problem. Whatever is the number of the boys, let it be. Whatever the number of girls, let it be. We will manage with whoever is there. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. So it's a game between, learning game between the boys and girls. Are you ready?
Yes.
Let me share the screen. So we have decided that, sorry?
Santom joined late.
It's okay, Santom. We are just learning. We are playing a learning game. Okay. We will start with lesson number 1. Revision plus game. Okay? Okay, good.
Okay, ma'am.
So all will keep this muted and I will be choosing who is going to ask and who is going to answer. One second.
What is the balloon's color? Ma'am, your video is off.
Is it? Okay, okay. Thank you for informing.
Ma'am,
This is a quiz or a learning game. It can be called in both ways.
Okay, ma'am.
Is everybody ready with page number 2?
Yes.
Okay. Parvati, begin with the first question. You can ask anything. Meaning, past tense form or question. Anything. But it should be from lesson number 1. Come on, Parvati. Make the start.
What did terrifying? Very scared.
No. Wait. You have to ask the question. Say the name of the boy who has to give the answer. That child has to give the answer. Okay, Parvati?
Okay.
Understood? Take another word. You have to only ask the question and call out. Okay, you can call out the boy's name whom you want to answer. One boy's name. And only that boy should answer. Okay?
Okay.
Yes, Parvati, come on. Take another word now.
Arnav.
Who?
Arnav.
Arnav. Okay, Arnav. Yeah, ask.
Upset.
Meaning of upset. That way you must say.
Meaning of upset.
Arnav, tell the meaning of upset. Nobody else will answer. Arnav is not able to hear you. I think, Parvati, you can choose any other child, any other boy. Come on, be fast.
Unhappy.
Arjun gave the answer, but that is not the way, Arjun. Okay? Don't answer like that.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Anyway, the boys team got 1 mark. Okay. Plus 1. Now, Krishna, ask a question to the girls team from lesson number 1. Thank you, Parvati.
Ma'am, no class 1, 2. Went. What is the word is went?
What is the
Word of went.
past tense of when? Past tense? No. What is the present tense form of the word went?
Yes.
Yes. Oh, very good question. Whom did you ask?
Joseph.
Who? No, you have to ask a girl. The boys have to ask questions to the girls and the girls will ask questions to the boys.
Jennifer.
Krishna, Jennifer, tell the answer.
Ma'am, now Arjun Krishna tell.
No. Only Jennifer will give the answer. Jennifer, what is the present tense form of the word went?
No, that. Jennifer finish.
Others keep quiet. Jennifer, we can't hear you. What is the present tense form of the word went? So think, went is the past tense of which word? That way you must think. No? You don't know, Jennifer? Do you know or not? If you don't know, you can tell me. Come on, make it fast. No, it's okay. The girls team gets -1. It's okay, Jennifer. Whom do you want to ask now, Krishna?
Ma'am, that is -1.
Yeah.
-1 and boys have +1.
Krishna, you ask another girl.
Okay.
Yeah. Ritika, tell me the present tense of the word went.
Hill.
Sorry?
Hill.
Sorry? Hill. The present tense of the word went. No? You don't know?
Yes.
Okay. Krishna, whom do you want to ask next?
Haya.
Okay. Sorry? Haya. Haya, do you know? Haya? No, she is not. I cannot see her here. Come on, make it fast. Okay, I think Mitra can give the answer now.
What?
No, no. What is the present tense? So, my dear students, girls, I will give you a clue. Check, think. Went is the past tense of which word?
Go. Go.
Yes.
Go.
See, you got the answer. Who gave the answer?
Meenakshi.
Sorry?
Meenakshi.
Meenakshi, yes. So finally the girls get 1 plus 1. Very good, Meenakshi. Okay, good question, Krishna. Good job. Chaitanya, ask a question to the boys team. Come on. Don't ask simple questions. Let it be difficult.
What melted the old lady's heart?
Louder, louder.
What melted the old lady's heart?
Whom do you want to ask? Only that child will answer.
Krishna.
Krishna. Come on.
What is the question? What melted the old lady's heart?
Hmm.
Big tears rolled down that Tiggy's cheeks.
Big tears that roll down Tiggy's cheeks. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, you're right, Krishna. Good. Joseph Sebi, ask a question to the girls. My dear students, okay, we will take questions from any lesson that is there. You can take questions from any lesson that is there for the portion, exam, term 1 exam. We will not stick to one lesson. We have revised all the lessons, right? So you all should be able to answer from all the lessons.
Chaitanya.
Chaitanya, okay?
Why were all the animals overjoyed in the end?
Good question. Why were all the animals overjoyed in the end? Whom do you want to ask? Chaitanya.
Chaitanya.
Chaitanya, come on. We cannot hear you.
Stripes were back.
Yes, very good. Okay. Then Azaria, ask a question to the boys. You can take from any lesson. Any. Make it fast, my dear students. Try to cover all the lessons, okay?
What kind of books does the girl's father have?
Have. Very good. Whom do you want to ask? Say the boy's name.
Krishna.
Why is everybody asking the same students? Okay, Krishna, this time you answer. Please give a chance to all of your friends.
What is the question?
Azaria, repeat.
What kinds of books does the girl's mother have?
What kind of books does the girl's mother have?
The girl's mother
Has.
has a book of fairies, ghosts, and monsters.
Has not a book. The girl's mother has books about. She has many books, right? Not a book. She has books about.
She has books about fairies, ghosts, and monsters on the street.
Fantastic, Krishna. Good job. So the boys get +1. Now, Mitra, come up with a question for the boys team. You can take from any lesson.
According to Ahava,
Louder.
according to Ahava's father, why does it rain?
Fantastic. That was a tough one. Whom do you want to ask?
Arjun Krishna.
Arjun, come on. Mitra is asking you a question.
The father
The father say or said? Yes, say Arjun. Arjun, say. Whose father? Ahona's father, right?
Said
Said that. Don't ask for help. Come on, Arjun. Ahona's father.
his father
What did he say? Said that.
said that
What?
hot
What hot? Say the complete sentence, my dear.
water go up
Goes up.
came cloud.
Sorry? I'm not satisfied with the answer. Try to say it again. Where does it go? Water?
Up
Where?
go up and became
What is that word to be used there?
cloud.
No. What does it go up as? I cannot help you more than this. Sorry, Arjun. I tried to help you a lot. Mitra, whom do you want next to answer?
Arnav.
Who?
Arnav.
Arnav. Arnav is having range problem, I think. I cannot even see him here. Only his name is there.
Will be answered. Yes.
So, say, ask somebody else, Mitra.
Muhammad Ali.
Muhammad Ali. No, I cannot see. Muhammad Ali.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Give the answer.
Hannah's father said, when it is hot, the water goes up air.
In the air.
In the air. Air was as vapor.
As vapor.
As vapor collects in the sky. The clouds becomes heavy when rain.
Very good. Okay, you have tried to give the answer. Okay, some words were wrong in between, but it's okay. The answer is understood by us. Okay, good, Muhammad Ali. Thank you.
It's a tough question.
Yeah, it's a tough question. A bit tough. Anurag, the next question for the girls team. Joseph, I already gave you a chance, my dear. Please wait.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Anurag.
According to Ahona's mother, why does it rain?
Oh, very good. Whom do you want to answer?
Tirtha.
Tirtha, come on. Tirtha, come on. It's a tough fight.
What is the question?
Oh, what is
According to Ahona's mother, why does it rain?
According to Ahona's mother, why does it rain? Tirtha, try to answer on your own. Try to give a chance to all of your friends. Huh? Don't ask the same students again and again. All are taking part, right? Come on, Tirtha. According to Ahona's mother, why does it rain?
I didn't get the answer.
You don't know the answer. Whom do you want to ask next? You must think. You're not trying to put the effort to think and answer. Whom do you want to ask next? Anurag. Choose another girl to give you the answer. Anurag?
Parvati.
Parvati. Yes, Parvati. Try.
Ahona's mother said that
Come on. It's okay. Think. About which animal did she speak?
Up in the sky,
Hmm?
they have an elephant.
Hmm.
A big black elephant.
Okay. What does it do?
Elephant takes water in pond and
And yeah, Mitra is showing you the actions.
throw the water.
Where?
Where is the water needed?
Where the water is needed, my dear.
Where the water is needed.
Yeah, fantastic. And then what happens at that place?
It rains.
It rains. Yes, fantastic. The girls have got +1. Okay, very good. Good job, Parvati. Santom, next is your turn. Santom. Yeah, welcome. Santom, your turn to ask.
Girls stands.
Okay, yes. Sorry. Okay, Meenakshi, ask a question to the boys. Sorry, thank you for reminding.
Past tense of do.
Past tense of
Do.
do. Whom do you want to answer?
Joseph.
Joseph, come on.
Did.
Past tense of do.
Did.
Yes. Boys get +1. Good. Muhammad Ali, your turn to ask a question to the girls. Well done, Joseph.
Tattered.
You should ask meaning, past tense, whatever.
Tattered
Meaning, right? Whom do you want to ask?
Mitra.
Mitra. Give a chance to others also. Mitra, give the answer.
Torn.
Tone. Spelling? That is from my side.
Okay. Torn.
Fantastic. Very good. So another +1 to the girls. Now, Bennett, your turn.
Yes, ma'am. Meaning of expect. Girls stands.
Oh, it's girls' turn, right? Oops. Why am I doing this? Girls' turn. Tirtha, ask a question.
Whom did the poet love with all his heart?
Yes, whom do you want to ask?
Santom.
Santom, come on. Madhav, sit properly. Santom, give the answer. Repeat the question, Tirtha.
Whom did the poet love with all his heart?
Very good. Santom, give the answer. Whom did the poet love with all his heart?
Poet loves the pretty cow.
Very good. So the boys get +1. Okay. Now it's the boys' turn, right? Let me confirm it. Dhyan,
Yes, ma'am.
ask a question.
What did the old lady say when Tiggy knocked on the door?
What did the old lady say when Tiggy knocked on the door? Whom do you want to answer?
Mitra.
Mitra, again. Very good. Come on, Mitra.
The old lady said, "Who are you? Why are you here?" Ma'am, Siddhivinayak.
Okay. That's right. Who are you? Why are you here? Are you happy with the answer, Dhyan?
Siddhivinayak.
So the girls get +1. Very good, Mitra. Next is the girls' turn, right? Girls' turn now.
Ma'am, Siddhivinayak.
Siddhivinayak, wait there. It's the girls' turn to ask a question. but very few girls are there. But
Ma'am, you can take the previous girl.
yeah, I will do that only because I don't have many girls here. Parvati, next is your turn to ask.
Ma'am,
The boys.
Ready.
Yes, Evina, next I will come to you. Parvati is searching for a tough question. Yes, good.
Ma'am,
Try to give a chance to each one of your friends, my dear students.
Ahana unhappy with her father's answer.
Why was Ahona? Whom do you want to answer? Choose the boy also, whom you want to answer. Parvati, who should give you the answer?
Benit.
Bennett. Repeat the question, Parvati. Why was?
Why was Ahana unhappy with her father's answer? Ahana was unhappy because she did not understand her father's answer.
Fantastic. Very good. That's a big +1 to the boys.
Ma'am, Rediga. I'm Santom.
Wait. Next is the boys' turn, right?
I'm Santom.
No need to call out your names.
Ma'am,
It's the boys' turn to ask the question.
Ma'am,
Yes or no?
yes.
Yes. Anai, unmute your device and ask a question to the girls. Anai. Unmute your device, Anai, and ask a question to the girls' team.
Till past tense.
Past tense of?
Till past tense.
Teal. Say the word one more time.
Steel. He said steel.
Steel. Okay. Which girl do you want to answer? Choose the name of a girl, my dear. Anai, who should answer? Make it fast. Parvati. Okay, Parvati. Story?
Stole.
Yeah, spelling.
STOLE.
Very good. A very big +1 to the girls' team. Okay, next is the girls' chance to ask, right? Haya, can you hear me? Haya, can you hear me?
Yes.
Haya, ask a question to the boys' team. Any one boy. You can ask any question. Fast. Ask a question to the boys' team. Any one boy. Ask Arav, he has not got a chance yet. Haya, ask a question fast. Come on. Haya, can you hear me?
Yes.
Then ask a question, my dear. Any question. Sorry? Haya, ask a question fast.
Siddhivinayak say.
Not Siddhivinayak. Siddhivinayak, wait there. Haya, ask a question. You have not asked a question yet. Come on, ask. Ask any question, Haya. Don't take too much of time.
Well.
Sorry? Well. What do you mean by that? Should I help you with the question?
Yes.
Ask the past tense of think. Past tense of think. Okay, Haya? Come on, Arav, give the answer. Past tense of think.
Thought.
Spelling.
T-H-G-G-H-T.
Thog. Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay, you get a -1. Whom do you want to answer next? He said the wrong spelling. Who should answer next? Okay, Siddhi Vinayak. Siddhi Vinayak wanted to answer. Siddhi Vinayak, say the spelling of thought.
Meaning of sprinkle.
No, Siddhi Vinayak, tell the past tense of think. Past tense of think.
Thought.
Arav, mute your device. Siddhi Vinayak, spelling of thought. Come on. Siddhi Vinayak, spelling of thought. Don't know?
Ma'am,
Yes.
can Joseph answer?
Okay, Joseph. One more -1 to the boys. Joseph, say the answer now.
T-H-O-U-G-H-T.
You are supposed to say it on your own, not read from the book. But still, you gave the right answer, so I'm giving you the marks. Okay. Next is boys' turn, right? To ask a question? Advait Manoj, ask a question to the girls.
Why does the what did the Sunny do when the weather turned very cold?
What did Sunny do? Never add the in front of any name. Okay, any person's name. What did Sunny do when the weather turned cold? Whom do you want to answer?
Chaitanya.
Chaitanya, come on. What did Sunny do when the weather turned cold?
When the weather turned cold, Sunny decided to go looking for nuts.
Fantastic. She said the answer in her own words. I appreciate the effort. It is absolutely right. Good. Okay. Now, Meenakshi, ask a question to the boys. Ask Dhyan. I think he did not get a chance. So, Tom Saji, ask Tom Saji. He didn't get a chance. Tom Saji, listen to the question. Meenakshi is searching for a tough question for the boys team. Very good. Are you enjoying it?
Yes.
The game.
Girl decided to write a book and not buy one.
Oh.
What? I didn't hear.
Yeah. Please repeat, my dear.
Why does the girl decided to write
Decide, not decided, decide.
decide to write a book and not buy one?
Tom Saji, did you hear now? Why does the girl decide to write a book and not buy one? Tell me the answer. Come on, Tom. Tom is thinking. Come on, Tom. Why does the girl decide to write a book and not buy one? The competition is getting tougher. Only 4 minutes are remaining. Tom Saji, do you know the answer or not? I don't think he knows. Whom do you want next to answer?
Yeah.
Wait. Others mute.
Dhyan.
Sorry?
Dhyan.
Sorry?
Dhyan.
Dhyan, give the answer. Fast?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Repeat the question, Meenakshi.
To write a book And
Why does the girl decide to write a book and not buy one? Am I right?
she has no money.
She has no money. Can you add a little bit to it? You are right. You are partly right.
Madhav.
Okay, let's give Madhav a chance. Come on,
Yes, ma'am.
give the answer.
What does the cow?
No. You have to give the answer to Meenakshi's question.
Ma'am, Santom.
No, Santom, wait. Why does the girl decide to write a book and not buy one?
Give has not money.
She has no money. That's right, but that is not the way we have written the answer, right? Try to add a little more to it.
Ma'am, can you explain the answer?
Okay, Santom, give the answer. Two boys were not able to give the answer properly, so 1 minus 1 I am giving. They gave the answer, but it was not complete.
Ma'am,
So, minus 1.
ma'am, the girl not need any money for it. All she would need
Is?
one good thought.
Yes, very good. So, a plus 1 to the boys, okay? So, let me calculate.
Ma'am, Arjun Krishna. Ma'am, Evina.
Fantastic, it's a tie. The boys finally get 4 marks and the girls team also gets 4 marks. I'm very happy about it. Let me stop sharing because you know the reason. Both have put in a very good effort and have tried to ask very difficult questions as per your level to the other team. Very good competition between you. The spirit was very good, but it's a tie. Okay? It's a tie. So all of you are very good students. I am happy with your performances. Please keep on putting more effort into your learning part. Okay? Good job. Very good. Did you enjoy?
Yes,
Did you enjoy? Okay then. Thank you very much. See you in the next class. All the best for all your exams. Okay? All your subject exams. Bye. Bye.
ma'am.